Pour Coca-Cola on your car wheel. Taking care of your wheels helps them maintain their properties and serve you longer. Usually, apart from changing tires, you don't spend much time on them. That's why you should try this trick. First, take a plastic container. Then pour 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola into it. Thanks to phosphoric acid, one of its ingredients, it does an excellent job of removing dirt, grease, and light rust. Next, add 2 tablespoons of black dye. Mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly using a brush, which you'll also need to apply the mixture to your wheels. Now, apply it to your wheels. Coat both the tires and rims with this mixture. Some might think it's pointless since tires are constantly exposed to road dust and will get dirty anyway. That's true, but this homemade protective solution shields the tires from dirt and streaks, and the effect of shiny black tires lasts for several weeks.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular de-icers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.
The bottle trick is a method used by thieves. Be cautious if you see a bottle wedged under the car's body near a wheel. Such incidents are on the rise, and thieves are becoming more inventive. The bottle trick is just one of their many techniques to steal a car. All they need is an empty drink bottle. They don't even require your keys. If you notice a bottle stuck near the wheel, stay alert and be careful. It's a scam. Thieves use this trick to gain access to your car without keys. They count on you not noticing the bottle. That's all they need to get into your car and rob you, or even drive off with the vehicle. Thieves are clever enough to place the bottle near the passenger side wheel. If you're traveling alone, you rarely approach your car from that side. This increases the chance that you won't spot it. Once you're unaware of the situation or the danger, you'll unlock the car, get in, start the engine, and drive off. As you begin to move, the bottle wedged between the body and the tire will cause a strange noise. At that moment, you'll likely stop and get out to investigate. This is exactly what the thieves are waiting for. You probably won't turn off the engine or take your bag or other belongings with you. While you're checking the source of the noise on the other side of the car, the thieves will simply get in and drive away. In the best-case scenario, they'll only grab your personal belongings, taking advantage of the fact that you left the door open. In either case, it's a distressing experience. Stay vigilant and warn your friends about this bottle trick used by thieves. Ginger in the car will save your life. Trust me, this method is a new discovery for many. The results are remarkable. Keep ginger in the glove compartment and you won't regret it. It's important to always have it in the car. Rub a piece of ginger on the car window. After a while, you'll see why it's worth doing. This trick is something that most people probably don't know about yet. It turns out that an inconspicuous piece of ginger can be useful during rain. Such a sight is certainly familiar to any driver. However, if our car has weak wipers, their work can be improved by a simple piece of ginger. Just carefully rub the car window with it, inch by inch. Ginger contains naturally occurring substances whose properties create a lotus effect on the glass. This is a scientific concept that describes the self-cleaning effect of surfaces. Discovered for the first time in plants of the lotus genus Nelumbo. A window treated with ginger will quickly repel water and dirt from its surface. This improves visibility on the road during rain. Your journey will be much safer, and challenging conditions won't scare you. Just wipe the window with a piece of ginger from time to time, so always have it in the car. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. Here's a perfect trick for cleaning your car upholstery. Spills from drinks will be a thing of the past, and unpleasant odors will disappear. With it, you can refresh your car's interior quickly and for free. Take a bowl and fill it with warm water. Next, take a laundry detergent pod. Throw the pod into the water and wait for it to dissolve completely. Mix everything to create a cleaning foam. Take an ordinary small towel and soak it in the mixture. Thoroughly wring out the excess water. It's important that the towel is damp but not dripping. You'll be cleaning the car in sections, so it's best to start with the passenger seat. Lay the towel on the car upholstery. Place a pot lid on top of it, which is the key item for this trick. This is what makes the method successful. Fold the corners of the towel towards the center so that you can grasp them along with the pot lid handle. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the upholstery in circular motions, moving the lid over the entire surface. When the towel dries, soak it again to repeat the process on other parts. The upholstery will smell and look like new, and your car will be like it just came from the showroom.